the doctor advised that he dash rest. Option C, B, the doctor advised that he be rest. Everyone dash happy with the decision. Option B is, everyone is happy with the decision. He is confident dash success. Option D, of, he is confident of success. She has been absent dash Monday. Option A, since, she has been absent since Monday. Let him do it, dash. Option D, will you, let him do it, will you. He arrived late, dash annoyed the teacher. Option B, which, he arrived late, which annoyed the teacher. The manager was angry because his instructions dash. Option C, had been ignored, the manager was angry because his instructions had been ignored. The boy dash broke the window is my cousin. Option B, who, the boy who broke the window is my cousin. I don't know dash she will agree or not. Option D, whether, I don't know whether she will agree or not. It's high time you dash your homework. Option B, did, it's high time you did your homework. He said he dash seen that movie before. Option A, had, he said he had seen that movie before. They demanded that the culprit dash punished. Option B, they demanded that the culprit be punished. You dash take an umbrella. It looks like rain. Option C, should, you should take an umbrella. It looks like rain. She is the best singer that I dash heard. Option D, however, she is the best singer that I have ever heard. You had better dash now. Option A, go. You had better go now. He did nothing but dash all day. Option B, complain. He did nothing but complain all day. The teacher made the students dash quietly. Option A, sit. The teacher made the students sit quietly. She would rather dash home than go out. Option D, stay. She would rather stay home than go out. The cake was eaten dash the children. Option C, by. The cake was eaten by the children. I wish I dash told him the truth. Option D, had. I wish I had told him the truth.